Welcome back to Slim's Automotive Repair. Today we have a 2017 GMC Denali. What we're going to do is go ahead and replace the digitizer on the radio. So if you're having an issue with your touch screen, you turn it on and you get the ghosting, or it doesn't want to work, it's not going to let you touch, it's just blank, anything like that. Usually the issue is going to be your touch screen. You only need five tools to complete this job. So let's go ahead and show you. First, you're going to need your pry bar right here, one of these small ones, metal, plastic, whatever it is, and you're going to set it right here, right behind this, and you're just going to pop the trim, the silver piece, just like this. And when you do, it might be a little stiff, but what you're going to look for is all these little clips that you can see, and they go all the way around. They're plastic, be careful so you don't break them, but they should pop out fairly easy. And the next step you're going to do is remove these screws. Now these are 7mm head bolts. You can see there's 1, 2, 3 right there, right by that. And your fourth one is going to be right above that other knob. And then you're going to take your pry bar, your handy dandy trusty dusty little pry bar here, and stick it right on the corner and give it a little pop in each corner. Then just give her a little wiggle like that and it'll come out. But you're going to have to, before you snatch it on out there's 3 plug-ins. On this one there is. You might have more depending on your model, but there's a plug there, and down below for your AC controls. And there's the wiring. Easy peasy, should come right on out. And then we're going to go ahead and take it to the table. Right on over here. Give me 1 second. Close the door before my boss man yells at me for filming on the job. Right here you have screws, little T15 torque spit screws. You can use an extension or an extended bit. Right there's your T15 torque spit. The handy dandy DeWalt. My snap-on went junk on me, so I'm using my backup DeWalt. Great tool, man. I can't recommend it enough. But back to it, you're going to have right there. Each corner is going to have a bolt. And there's the last one right there. We can go ahead and pull that one out. Let me see. Right there. And then what you're going to do is lift this cover off. Man, this job only takes about 15 minutes by yourself. It doesn't matter. Then what you're going to have is 3 ribbons, right? In these little ribbons, it looks complex, but it's not. If you can see that, you're just going to take this little black, pull it up with your fingernail. That ribbon will pop out. Let me get repositioned, and you're going to do the same thing with this. Pop that. Ribbon will pop out. Pull your circuit board. Now there's nothing holding this in, so you can go ahead and pull it right on out. Easy peasy, digitizer done. You take your new one, you drop it back in. Make sure you got it going the correct way. You can only really install it one way, the way these ribbons go. And when you do, just have your ribbons there and kind of finagle it. Remember, I'm doing this one-handed, no camera, man. Work with me, please forgive me for that one. Make sure your little clips are facing up, and then that ribbon should line up. You see little nubs on it, and it's going to line up like that. Slide in and then push down. Bam, ribbon's connected just like that. And then you're going to take your yellow ribbon, pop it in, make sure your tabs are lined up, drop your clip just like that, and you're done. That is literally all there is to it to change this digitizer on a 2017 Canyon. Put your cover on and then put all your screws back in. 5 tools. 5 tools. Easy peasy. It'll save yourself $250, $300. Don't let these shops scam you. You can get these parts on eBay, Amazon. I don't know where my parts man got this one. But you can see there's the screen right there. Here's the old one. It's junked out. There's the part number. There you go. There's the part number for the original GM screen. Go ahead, man. This is probably one of the easiest projects you'll ever do to replace that radio. And as always, thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and the more subs I can get, the better I can get on with this channel and bring you guys some more helpful tips. Have a blessed day.